Are you looking for the best electric bikes? In this video, we will look at some of the best electric bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dirt Electric Bike. Unmatched power and endurance. The Tudio Soleil 01 is equipped with a robust 2000 W motor. Conquer challenging terrains and experience breathtaking acceleration like never before. Electric Dirt Bike, the ultimate electric motorcycle that redefines the world of off-road adventures. Long-lasting battery. With a massive 48V21Ah lithium battery, provides up to 43 miles of range with 31% more capacity for an additional 16% more range than other models on the market. This electric dirt bike ensures extended rides, so you can explore more trails without worrying about recharging frequently. Fully charges within 6-7 hours. All-terrain dominance. Built for adventure. This electric bike with a 14-inch front and a 12-inch rear puncture-resistant fat tires, Tudio Soleil 01 offers unparalleled traction and control, ensuring you can tackle any terrain with confidence. Full suspension system. The front wheel is equipped with a state-of-the-art suspension hydraulic fork system, while the rear wheel is equipped with an independent suspension high-stiffness air spring shock absorber. These advanced suspension systems absorb shocks and bumps, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even on rough terrains, give you a comfortable and stable riding experience. Hydraulic brakes. The Tudio Soleil 01 features hydraulic brakes for responsive and efficient stopping power. With a maximum steering angle of 45 degrees, enjoy precise and agile maneuverability, making every turn smooth and effortless, giving you complete control over your journey. Number 2. LUXECYCLES Electric Bike. This electric bike holds GCC certification, Certificate No. HK 24081513577R, and UL 2849 certification, Certificate No. Keys 240815033002001. Removable 48V13 all-lithium battery. This e-bike comes with a 48V13 all-lithium battery that charges in just 5 to 6 hours. With a single charge, you can travel up to 30 miles, 48.28 kilometers, in full electric mode or up to 50 miles, 80.47 kilometers, in pedal assist mode, PAS1. Provides greater driving range and flexibility for your daily rides. The removable battery design makes it easy to charge and store. Powerful 1000 W high-quality motor. Driven by a brushless motor with a rated power of 500 W and a peak power of 1000 W. The maximum speed reaches 28 mph. The motor is built for durability, runs quietly and smoothly, and provides a safe riding experience. Versatile riding modes. Enjoy 3 different riding modes for ultimate flexibility. You can ride in pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, or like a regular bicycle. Whether for commuting, campus rides, or tackling rough trails, beaches, or mountains, this bike adapts to all terrains with maximum safety and efficiency. Safety and comfort maximized. The high-density foam seat is soft and responsive, reducing fatigue on long rides. The entire body is made of high-cost aluminum alloy material, which is not easy to scratch, sturdy and durable, and has stronger shock resistance, enhanced with dual-disc brakes and front fork shock absorber. It ensures strong braking power and smooth handling, even on bumpy roads. Number 3. Isinwheel Electric Bike. Smart uphill. A 14-inch bike doesn't have to be this nimble, but it is. Our 500W motor seamlessly integrates intelligent algorithms. Effortlessly conquer inclines with automatic recognition and tailored assistance. Experience a breezy 15 degrees uphill journey, complemented by a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Energy-saving battery. The 36V 7.8-hour replaceable battery completely hidden inside the e-bike frame for protection. 2x fast charge in 3 to 4 hours to power your ride for up to 25 miles. Pedal assist mode. Excellent portability with foldable handlebars, pedals, and a height-adjustable seat. The U1 small electric bike is designed for minimal storage space, 0.15 m superscript 3. Whether fitting in a car trunk, navigating elevators, or keeping your apartment uncluttered, it's your ideal first bike. Safe riding. Our electric bicycles are certified to the strict standards of UL 2849 and CFR 1512. Dual disc brakes provide all-weather stopping power. Front and rear lights enhance visibility, promoting safer rides day or night. Variable ride. Choose between pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, and normal bike mode. Our U1 electric bike offer 3 levels assist speeds to keep you flowing through traffic. Due to package size restrictions, orders with multiple items, ebikes, accessories, etc. will be sent separately. Number 4. HOVERFLY electric bike. Powerful motor. HOVERFLY electric bike comes equipped with a 750W peak power motor, allowing for speeds of up to at least 20 miles per hour, making it easy to ride on mountains, trails, or even in snowy conditions. High-capacity battery. The pedal assist mode offers a range of up to 40 miles, while the pure electric mode can reach up to 20 miles, depending on user weight and road conditions. The detachable battery comes with a lock to prevent theft. Safe and comfortable design. Responsive mechanical brakes, coupled with front shock absorbers, provide comprehensive safety and comfort. Diverse riding modes. With pure electric mode, just throttle up and go, while the pedal assist mode offers effortless and swift riding compared to regular bikes. 7-speed gears and accessories, providing versatility in riding efficiency and equipped with a frame pack, allowing you to enjoy smooth rides on any road. Reliable components, featuring a bell and LED headlight to ensure nighttime riding is as safe as during the day. Double mudguards shield you from all ground debris and keep things tidy. Easy assembly. The HOVERFLY electric bike comes 90% assembled, complete with instructions and safety tools, saving you precious time. Number 5. Funhang BikeElectric bike. Powerful 500W motor and removable battery. Funhang electric bike with a 500W, peak 1000W. High-speed brushless motor is able to achieve a top speed of 21.7 miles per hour, delivering impressive power and performance for conquering terrains. 48V 374.4 Wh IPX5 waterproof lithium-ion battery allows you to confidently travel up to 25 to 50 miles on a single charge. Its removable and lockable design makes it convenient to charge on, off the e-bike, fully charged for 4 to 5 hours. Safe e-bike configuration. 26-inch electric bike for adults adopts a lockable front shock absorber to smooth out bumps, rocky and uneven terrain. The added fenders protect your bike away from mud and water. The smart LCD display provides real-time data, including battery life, current speed, mileage, pedal assist level, and more. Other reliable e-bike designs like mechanical dual-disc brakes, LED headlight, and electric horn system and reflectors safeguard your safety. Customized riding experience. The electric mountain bike features 5 working modes and 5 pedal assist levels. Throttle a bike and assisted bicycle and normal bike and cruise mode and booster mode for your option. Kicking in 1 to 5 PAS levels or twisting the throttle will make your ride a breeze. Booster mode helps you push your bike effortlessly. Combined with the 21-speed shifting gears on the adult electric bicycle, you can customize your speed needs and riding style for any biking terrain. Durable frame and adjustable handlebar/seat. Funhang EB M1 model is made of a solid and durable frame, anti-slip 26-inch tires for a better grip in extreme conditions. The upgraded handlebar stem and comfy seat can be easily adjusted to your preferred riding positions. This electric bicycle comfortably suits adult and teen riders between 5, 3-inch-6, 1 tall, and up to 300 pounds per 135 kilograms.